In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the message button on Facebook. If you've been looking to manage your Facebook profile more selectively and prefer not to receive messages from everyone, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps. Let's dive in to make your Facebook experience more tailored to your needs. First, make sure you are logged into your Facebook account on your desktop or laptop. Once there, you'll need to locate the Messenger icon. It's typically found in the top right corner of your Facebook homepage, represented by a speech bubble with a lightning bolt inside it. Go ahead and click on that icon. After clicking, you'll see a drop-down menu with your recent messages. But what you need to focus on are the three dots that appear at the top of this menu. These dots are your gateway to more advanced settings. Click on those three dots. Now that you've clicked on the three dots, a new menu should appear. From this list, find and click on Message Delivery Settings. This section allows you to control how messages are delivered to you and who gets the privilege of sending you messages. In the Message Delivery Settings, you will see an option that reads, "For others on Messenger or Facebook, deliver requests to." This setting dictates where message requests from people who aren't your friends on Facebook will be directed. Click on this option to proceed. You will now be presented with several options. To remove the message button effectively, you want to select Don't Receive Requests. This choice stops non-friends from sending you message requests, effectively removing the message button from their view when they visit your profile. Once you've made your selection, it's crucial to save your settings to ensure the changes take effect. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the settings panel. Clicking this button will confirm your choices and update your message delivery preferences. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed the message button from your Facebook profile, granting you more control over who can send you messages. Remember, you can always revisit these settings and make adjustments as needed, depending on how you wish to manage your online interactions. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other features in Facebook settings to further customize your privacy and communication preferences.